We're here at Kastamonu and we've just been visiting the old castle. We've just jumped down from a little bit of a height there, but that's okay. We're just doing a little tour of the city at the moment. It's quite small compared to the other ones that we've visited.
Farm, which seems to be organic. We just had breakfast here in an old house that's 200 years old. This farm is very interesting. We've got a wood workshop over here and growing some kind of crop here. So apparently in Anatolia, which is the Asian part of Turkey, they have a lot of wolves. So the dogs wear these spiky collars around their neck so that when the wolves bite them, they can't kill them.